Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are doing great, and I wish you all are getting better and better in your concepts regarding the pseudocodes in C language. So before moving ahead, I would like to request every one of you to kindly like and comment down your views regarding this channel, because believe me, whether your responses are positive or negative, it is really going to help us in creating such a unique content for you guys continuously. So let's get to our next question in this series. So this is the question. I would suggest everybody of you to kindly pause the video and just try to solve this question, okay? Then I will tell you the solution to it. So I hope you all got some answers and you have solved it successfully. So let me give you the solution to this question. So here we are having three variables x, y and n. So we are assigning 1 in x, 0 in y, and we are not assigning anything to n, but the n value is calculated based on this expression, not of not x plus not of y. Okay, so let me give you a very important golden statement. Okay, this can confuse someone, but I will clear it, don't worry. Golden statement is, in C, true means 1, false means 0. Yeah, it is pretty straightforward, but many will get confused here. Why? Because if you have watched this series from the very first, then you will remember that I have said that in C, any non-zero data is considered to be a true value and only 0 is considered to be a false value, right? So false means 0, it is correct, no worries, but true means 1. Why only 1? Why not any non-zero data? True can be anything, right? Yes, but see, any non-zero data is definitely a true value if you are taking that in a condition perspective. Okay, if you are calculating a conditions value which is a true or false thing, then non-zero data is a true value, that is for sure. But true means 1, means that non-zero data which you have calculated from that condition, if it is a non-zero data, then the output will be true. But if you print that true in integer format, you will get 1. Okay, so basically true means 1 and false means 0. So here also we are how we will calculate this variable n, let us see, then it will get more clear. Okay, so n is not of not x plus not of y. So not of not 1 plus not of 0. So we know not of 1 will be false, because not of true is false. So not of true is false. So it became 0 and this became 1. Okay. Now not of 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is basically 2, because we are taking it in a integer format basically. See, here we are adding two values, so we cannot add true and false directly, because right, do you get this? We cannot add true plus true is true, we cannot do that. Okay, so to keep it in an integer format, true means 1 and false means 0. This is the main logic. Okay, so don't get confused, you will easily remember this, I know. So just remember this thing. So our final answer will be 2. So if you have any doubt regarding this, and I hope you must have some doubt, because many get confused in this true and false thing in C language. So you can ask me whenever you want. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.